Welcome to scheduling meetings through Google Calendar with Uberconference. Step 1. Go to your Google Calendar. From there, click on the Settings icon. Step 2. On the drag-down menu, click on Get Add-ons. Step 3. Either search Uberconference in the Search Calendar Add-ons box, or if it automatically shows up, click on that selection. Step 4. Select the time and day on the calendar for your meeting, then add the title of your meeting, then click on the More Options button. Step 5. Click on the Add Conferencing box. Step 6. From the Add Conferencing box, select Uberconference. Step 7. In the pop-up window, click on the Authorize button. Step 8. Add email addresses for those you are inviting in the Add Guests box. When you're done, click on the Save button. All of your guests will then receive an email invitation to your video conference meeting. Step 9. From the invitation your guests receive, when it is the day and time for your meeting, they should click the link below the text, Join Uberconference. God blessings on your meeting.